Hey everyone, Sam Carlson from SpawnRoom.com here again with another episode of Developer Update, episode 6. Today we're going to be talking about patch version 0.2.4, which launched today, and what it added, so let's take a look. Okay, so I'm just going to mention the minor things first, which are the kind of just the quick updates that I did. So there were the visual changes. Basically all that is I added drop shadows to some of the elements to kind of give the site more depth, because before it looked so flat. So nothing too special there. Let's see, page categories, or as they're called right now, channels, are on the top. Originally they were on the left side. I'm not sure if I'm going to stick with the channel name idea. That was kind of like the first thing that popped into my head. Let's see. Under the most popular page, where you can see kind of what's been viewed the most, there's a time interval now, so you can select, by default it's 7 days, but you can select 30 days, a certain amount of months, the last 12 months or a year, and then all time, so you can kind of see like what are the most popular pages per time period. On pages, I've added the category to the title, so you can at least kind of know what you're looking at, like is this an RSS item or was this submitted by a person, and then like what category am I under. So that's currently right here. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it there, since I don't know if it should be part of the title exactly, but that's where it is right now. Let's see. Okay, so those are like, I guess, the minor changes. Under creative support, basically what that means is I've allowed pages to accept more than just text and like links and things like that, because originally that's all you could put in. Now I've opened it so you can put link images and stuff in there, and that's kind of going with that whole like Team Liquid approach, I guess, where you can kind of stylize whatever you're trying to advertise or whatever kind of page you're trying to make. So that should be kind of cool. Next up, search has been enabled. Originally it was up here, but it was disabled. You weren't able to type anything in the box. So that's been turned on. Right now it's pretty basic. Right, I think that's what I got up. Yeah, I just searched Team Fortress 2, and then it'll report back submissions that have Team Fortress 2 within a meta value. So whatever tags have been added to a page, that's what it's searching. So it's fairly limited right now. In the future, we're going to be adding advanced search, and that'll be multiple queries. That'll search not only meta values but meta keys, and then you'll also be able to specifically state which meta keys you want in your search. So if you want to say find event pages with this specific player in attendance, you'll be able to do that. And as I mentioned before, actually I didn't mention this, but Charities has been added as a category along with locations. I think patches is new, and podcasts. So you can get the listings for it, but I've also added this Help a Gamer in Need page, which basically just takes if someone submits a charity and they submit the start and end date of the donation drive, it'll show up in here when it's active. So right now these 3 charity events or donation drives or whatever, these are 3 that are actively going on right now. So you can come here and you can, if you got some money laying around and you want to help some people out, that's where you can check for it. Okay, so that's actually it. 0.2.4 was a pretty decent patch. 0.2.5 will be coming out. I mean, these are coming out every 2-3 weeks, a month at the most, so that's probably any time in that range. That could be the next one. But yeah, thanks for watching.